thank you so much for becoming a supporter of this first book project of mine. I'm looking forward to the content that I'm able to put out there. If you read the description, I've already got 19,000 words that I've compiled and ready to get out and start doing more rough drafts and final drafts of the work. So I wanted to share with you a technique that I've used and I've taught other people to tap into their creativity to get rid of the roadblocks when you're stuck or you've been working for a long period of time and you just hit that wall and you can't seem to get past it. Or if you're just not feeling creative and you need to get out of a rut, you can use this. And what I love about it is you can do it anywhere, even in public. You just might look like a little bit of a fool, but who cares, right? So to do this, you just need to use both of your hands. We're going to be drawing in the air. And if you do it for 3 or 4 minutes, you're actually strengthening connections in your brain. You're strengthening the fibrous band of tissue, the corpus callosum. It connects the left and right hemispheres. You're creating those new connections and tapping into new parts of your brain, which you can then use when you're going back to your creative work or when you're trying to get past that roadblock. So what you do is you draw first a square with you can use whichever hand. Then with the other hand, you'll draw a triangle. And what you do is do one segment at the same time with each hand. So we'll do those and just keep doing one segment. And what's interesting is, I messed up there. So I'll start over. What's interesting about this process is every 12th time you meet up like they just did. And so you can keep, I messed up again. You can do this, and as you practice, you're strengthening connections in the corpus callosum. You're tapping into new parts of your brain, and then you can break past those problems, those issues that you're having. It's almost like hitting a reset button for your brain. Once you've gotten down that pattern, you can flip it. You can do it on the other side and start doing, the triangle on the left and the square on the right. It's actually really difficult to do while you're talking. So that's another level that you can try. I think okay, there we go. I have that up finally. So I hope you use that. I hope you find success with it. Why don't you try looking like a fool, doing it in public, teach other people. It's a fun party trick. It's a fun skill to learn. I've taught it to literally hundreds of people at this point. And we always have fun doing it. So cheers.